Next, we have the Deep Learning AI Specialization by Andrew Ng. This is the gold standard and a must for serious learners. It covers neural networks, deep learning, and their applications. Although it requires some prior programming knowledge, it's beginner to intermediate level, taking approximately 3 months to complete. You will emerge with robust skills in building and deploying deep learning models. If you're committed, this course is your ticket to mastering AI theory. Fast. AI offers practical deep learning for coders, focusing on hands-on experience. This course is ideal for coders who want to dive straight into building AI models without getting bogged down by theory. It's intermediate level and can be completed in just 7 weeks. You'll gain practical knowledge, enabling you to create state-of-the-art models with ease. Fast. AI is perfect for those looking to see real-world results quickly. For those eyeing a job in AI, the Microsoft AI 900 Prep is a solid choice. It covers Azure AI fundamentals, preparing you for the AI 900 certification. It's an entry-level course taking about 6 weeks to complete, and it's designed to equip you with practical, job ready skills. Perfect for career changers or tech enthusiasts aiming to enhance their resumes with cloud based AI expertise. Lastly, the Hugging Face NLP course is your go to for the latest in natural language processing. This is an intermediate level course focusing on the latest large language models and transformer models, taking around 8 weeks to finish. You'll learn to build and optimize NLP models, perfect for those fascinated by cutting edge AI research and applications in language technology. Which course will you start? Drop it in the comments.